Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to know who viewed your location on Snapchat map. So if you want to see who sees your location on Snapchat, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video, complete this without wasting any time. Let's start the video. So basically it is a feature which allows you to see the location of a Snapchatter. So if you want to see the location of someone, then you can simply click on that profile and you can simply see their location. But if you want to allow your friends to see your live location, then you have to simply turn on the Snapchat map so that your friend can also see your location. So here is the option available. Snapchat want to use your location, which means if you allow Snapchat to use your location, then it will use in the Snapchat map, and after that your friends will be able to see your location on Snapchat. But if you want to check which of your friends has recently watched your location on Snapchat, then if you look for the setting, then you will not find any kind of setting related to that. So what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that if you scroll it down, then you will not find any settings related to the Snapchat maps, so that you can simply see that who has recently viewed your location on Snapchat maps. So there is no option available so that you can check who has recently watched your location on Snapchat map. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.